and repurpose our content onto all of these other platforms. So as you can see here, we're reaching, 1,500, 2,000, sometimes even more than that, right? Hey, welcome back. I wanted to show you how I'm repurposing some of these TikTok videos onto other platforms to reach literally hundreds of thousands of people. I'm doing this both for myself personally as well as for some of my clients as well. This is one of my clients, for instance, in the last less than 30 days, we're up to 800,000 impressions. So I'm going to show you 3 places that you can repurpose your short form vertical video in this video so that you can reach hundreds of thousands of extra people. Let's get into it. Okay, so the very first thing that I want to show you is how to repurpose this onto Instagram. I personally have been doing this for a while and I'm reaching a ton of people. So I'm actually down 23%, but I've still reached 185,000 people in the last 30 days. And these insights have been absolutely phenomenal. I'm gaining tons of followers from this strategy and reaching just a ton of people. And these are entirely repurposed videos. I'm not creating multiple videos for each unique platform. I'm literally repurposing, TikTok videos onto these other platforms. You can see this one here, for instance, is up to 65,000 views. This one here is at 26,000 views. Some have even hit way more than that, but mostly it's in the several thousand range. So let's walk through my exact process on how to do it on this first. So the first thing I do is go over here to TikTok. And this is just my workflow. You might want to record videos outside of TikTok. I happen to like the TikTok video editor, so I always record TikTok first. But all you need to do here is first pick a video that you want to take. So I'm gonna, since I do this consistently, I'm gonna scroll way back here and just find one that I haven't posted recently. Okay, so let's do this one. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click these 3 dots down here, and then I'm going to click copy link. Okay, now I have the link copied on my phone. Now I'm going to go over to this website, snaptic.app. Okay, snaptic.app, and I'm just going to paste that URL in here. Okay, then I'm going to click download. You can do this on your phone. You can do this on your computer as well. Once you're here, I'm clicking, I wouldn't download with the app, I would just download via server. So I'm gonna click on this first one here, download server via 1. Okay. Don't download their ads. Don't click on their ads, but just click download here. Okay. So now we've downloaded that MP4. Okay, now we have that downloaded. Well, the first thing I'm gonna do here, this is just my workflow. This is my exact workflow, as you can see. I'm just copying my old hashtags and whatnot. Okay, so now I'm going to come up here, plus I'm going to post this as a reel. Reels reach exponentially more people. Okay, I'm going to post the video that I just downloaded from Snaptic. Okay, once the preview's done, click preview. You can add some captions if you want. I like to add the captions on there. Once you're happy with that, click next. And I'm going to just paste this in here like so. And you just want to get their attention. All right, check this website out. Hey. Okay. When you're doing this on Instagram, they have some really cool stuff recently, so you can adjust the cover here if you want. And then if you want to add it to your profile grid, you would crop profile image, and I just want to get that title in there, right? So that's how it is. That's how it's going to look on my grid. You can, zoom in here if you want. That's how it's going to look. I like to get the title in there like so, so it's sort of like a thumbnail, and I'm happy with that. And I'm just going to share it and post it like so. And there we have it, our freshly posted Instagram reel, and then it'll also display as we set the profile image there. Now make sure you continue to watch to the end of this video, because I'm doing this in real time. So after I show you these next 2 platforms, we're going to come back and see how many views that this has reached. Pretty powerful. The next platform that I want to do this on is Pinterest. These are astronomical numbers, right? We've been doing this for only about a month, 28 days, and we've reached 819,000 impressions so far. This is my client. Shout out to DIY with Emma. She's let me have the reins and repurpose her content onto all of these other platforms. But as you can see here, we're reaching 1,500, 2,000, sometimes even more than that, right? 2,900, 3,000, 8,700. These are just repurposed videos. Here, look at this one, for instance. 469,000 people. This one did 67,000. This one did 237,000. And these are just repurposed videos that we create once and post them across all of our social media content. So shout out to Emma. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to do the same process, is we're going to come over and we're going to grab a URL of a video that we like. All right, let's do, I'm going to do this on my own Pinterest to show you the entire process. So I'm just going to grab any URL that I want here. Let's do this orange tank top one. So I'm doing this on computer for Pinterest specifically. You can do this on your phone if you want. This is more my workflow, but I'm coming over to my profile here, tiktok.com/my-URL. I'm just going to right click on this image and then copy link address. You can also click on
There's never been a better time than right now.
Up here, do it that way. And then same website, snaptik.app. I'm pasting that URL in there. I'm downloading it. Same thing that we did on the phone. Download this server here. Okay, and now I have this MP4 downloaded. So now I'm over here on Pinterest again. And then I want to post this as an idea pin. So I'm going to click the create. I'm going to do create idea pin. I'm just going to drag that video in there. Okay, as so. You can edit the cover, same thing like Instagram. You can drag it across if you want here. I'm fine with how it initially displayed. I'm going to title it for SEO, How to Grow on YouTube in 2021. And then, let's see, I'm adding it to one of my boards, and then you can add some tags in here. So let's see if anything, just want to add some relevant social media, marketing, maybe business ideas. And I like to add, 4 or 5 here, and small business marketing. So we'll go with that. Publish. Voila. You've just repurposed your video that you shot one time across Instagram, and now
there's never been a better time than.
Let's jump into the third platform, and that is YouTube. Hey, let's go over to Emma again because we've been doing so phenomenally well. As you can see here, just over the last 2 weeks here, these are repurposed shorts. So YouTube, basically to copy TikTok, just like Instagram Reels, released a new short form vertical video functionality called YouTube Shorts. And so what we're doing is we're repurposing those same videos once again and posting them as YouTube Shorts. So these are the same videos you can see here, 2,400 views, 1,400 views, 1,000 views, 1,000 views, almost 1,000 views, 980, 1,000, 882, 252. Again, we're reaching thousands of extra people for doing minimal extra work on a video you've already created. Why not repurpose this content across all of your social media platforms? So you would do that same thing. We already have it downloaded, so you don't need to download it every single time. You can download it once and very easily re-upload it that way. Let's click on your phone. There is, you can upload it directly as Shorts. There is a Shorts beta in there. For the purpose of this video, I'm already on desktop. Oh, I got a subscribe here. There we go. So I'm just going to show you how I do it. Upload video. Dragging that video in there. And then you want to add this hashtag shorts at the end of the title, because that's going to help index this video into the Shorts dashboard. Really cool. Sort of like a shortcut here. When that's finished processing and uploading, that's all you really need to do. I'm going to keep this as unlisted for now. but bam, now you've repurposed that video onto Instagram, onto Pinterest, and YouTube. I told you we'd come back to taking a look at this. Well, it's been about 5 minutes and I've already reached 123 people from repurposing that same video. Absolutely incredible. Maybe we can refresh it again here in real time and see if it goes up anymore. Let's see. Real-time refreshing, nothing more. 123. Still pretty powerful. 8 minutes ago, 123 people. Somebody already commented, thanks. You're welcome. So I hope you found this helpful, everybody. If you want more social media marketing tips, make sure you click on this next video here. I'm going to show you some awesome strategies. See you in that video.